Hello, Level 3 Applied General, and welcome to week 11 and our first video session for week 11. And today I'll show you what I want to talk about, just briefly what we're going to do in this first video. Looking at reading and speaking resubmissions, we're going to talk about formative writing and preparation for the summative writing. So I hope your, reading and speaking assessments went well, and I think your teacher is explaining to you when you're going to be doing your reading resubs and the speaking ones too, probably sometime this week. Next point I want to bring up is the formative writing. Okay, so formative writing is here. Now, your teacher will also help you with this. Basically, the task is you're planning to visit your boss who does not live in New Zealand, all right? You're living in New Zealand, your boss lives overseas. So send him or her a formal email, 200 to 250 words, inquiring about the following points. So you have to write his or her email address in the space provided, as well as the subject of your email. So you'll see that here, all right, in the subject. Now, you have to write about these points. You have to say that you're planning to travel around his or her country, all right? You're not only going to see your boss, but you're planning to travel around that country. And you want to ask your boss which places you can visit there. And you want to mention when you are planning to travel. Okay, so then I want you to inquire about the following points as well. So here you're asking questions, all right, about places to stay, the type of accommodation or the hotels, things to do and see while traveling, things to eat and drink, all right? Any other relevant information, for example, planning your itinerary, getting information, bookings, accommodation, transport activities, this sort of information. Right, and then make sure you use an appropriate layout for the text type, for example, an introduction, paragraphs, and a conclusion. Also, give your email a subject and use adequate functional language. All right, so here we'll be looking at this more with you in the classes. I won't be looking at this with you right now. In addition to this preparation for the summative writing, there's also a short listening task. Again, listening task is based on traveling. This one is traveling to Nepal to access the audio file. You click on this link here. Yeah. And then click again and you'll have the video. And you click on there to play it. All right, so we'll come back to the questions. Yeah, and then just answer. There aren't many questions there, just a few questions. It won't take long, but it will get you traveling, thinking about the sorts of things you might want to ask your boss for the writing. Okay, well, that brings me to the end of today's session. I wish you good luck for your resubs and rest of your writing assessment, or the rest of your assessments. So thank you very much. All right, so I'm going to stop my recording and